Everybody, Kelly Flip with Kelly coming at you here today. How's everybody doing? Today I just wanted to go over the subject of, what actually works, what's going to get you some money in your pocket, what's the deal that's going to get across the finish line. And so I would say it all works, right? I mean, kind of pick your poison. If you're first just getting started out, I would suggest not going crazy with 50 different things and spreading yourself too thin. You could do a combination of a few different things, obviously, but so I mean, if you want to do direct mail, depending on how much money you have, you could start sending out letters to like probates or pre-foreclosures, any list that you think has a good chance of getting deals, depending on your area where you're at. Like code violations might work good. However, some of that's probably going to depend on if they actually slap these people with fines or not. So in your area, if they don't fine people a lot, code violations might not be the best list to go after, possibly. But if they do fine the heck out of people, it might be a motivated list, right? So, because you're getting fined, there's more motivation there. So if you don't have a lot of money for letters, sticky notes would be a great way to do it. Or maybe door knocking. Oh, you're okay, Dasher. Or door knocking. And then you want to come up here, buddy? Come on up. So yeah, you can do your cold calling, or your texting. So then the next question is like, how are we going to do this? And so probably a good way to do it is to start out in your own county, or if you want to do it virtually, but maybe send out 100 letters a week, or maybe you want to send out 100 sticky notes in a week, or maybe you want to do 100 cold calls in a week. Kind of get a number in mind, and then get the main thing is to get things started, right? So if you want to vacuum, you got to plug the vacuum cleaner in. So prime that pump. Go ahead and figure out, okay, I'm going to do this many on Monday, this many on Tuesday. I don't know if you got to work, like today is Saturday. I don't know if you got to work on Saturday or on the weekends. I don't know if you like pulling your lists at night and then, calling the next day. And then you could do like your sticky notes on the higher priority ones, like maybe the pre-foreclosures, and then maybe some of your lists that are not as, like a hot list or a motivated list. Like maybe you do like a high equity list. Maybe you'd rather call those, but send letters out to your, pushing the P's on the letters. So P's being probate and pre-foreclosure. And then depending on if you got the ability to text blast or not, maybe you want to reserve those textings either for like the pre-foreclosures, because typically they don't answer as well due to the bill collectors, everybody trying to call them and bug them. So just kind of get yourself a little routine, and some of the stuff is going to ebb and flow, but the only way you really figure it out is by, getting into it and doing it day after day after day after week, month, year. It just kind of tweak it. And then it's going to be depending on how much time and money and energy you got to throw at it. So if you don't have a lot of money, then you're going to be spending more time calling versus sending out letters or postcards probably. Another way to do it is to, if you've got a skill, like your construction worker or doctor or whatever you are, then you could take the money that you get from that job to put into your letters. And the letters could be done at nighttime or whenever you're not working your day job. So, and then once you gain traction and get that first deal done, then you can reinvest those profits into more mailers. Anyways, I hope this video found some value to you. Smash the like button, and I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my weekend and mail out some letters myself. This is Kelly. Have a great weekend, guys.